Well, switching gears to some harder news tonight, Columbia officials are working to fight the opioid epidemic. The city council is actually partnering with 2 local crisis centers to help with prevention and recovery. Our Josie Frost has been looking into this all day and shares exactly what they'll be doing.
You know, recovery's for everybody, not just people who live in a gated community and can afford to send their loved ones off or they live on the lake. Recovery is available to everybody.
Randy Rush is the executive director of the Courage Center. They're poised to get a $130,000 contract with the city to help meet Columbia residents battling addiction where they are. Right now, people can come here to the Courage Center to receive things like peer-to-peer counseling and recovery services. But through this new contract with the city of Columbia, they'll be doing things like going out with first responders on overdose calls and distributing Narcan in high-risk areas. While they focus on recovery, the Second Chance Resource Center will be focusing on prevention. They do outreach to prevent drug usage for incarcerated people, and for identified cases of substance addiction, they hand those off to the Courage Center. Trayvon Fordham is the director of the Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement.
Usually about the third time, it is an overdose. It's a fatality. So what that contract does is it actually works with partners, a community partner, the Courage Center, in order for those individuals to get help, to get referral services, to get treatment services, so that way we can avoid an overdose later.
The contracts together are over $400,000, money that comes from the South Carolina Opioid Recovery Fund. According to the Department of Public Health, in 2022, opioid-related deaths increased by 5%. Rush says there are over 400,000 people in recovery in South Carolina, and this contract with the city will bring those services to them.
Part of it is not waiting for people to come to us, it's getting out into the community. And that's kind of one of the things that this money from the city will help us do, is really become more of a presence in the community than we are now.
Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.
And local leaders tell us both contracts are set to continue through September of next year.